Welcome to Tech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Our video editing class. So in this class, we're going to be looking at the basic method of adding overlay. So you can add overlay as image. You can also add overlay as a video. All right. So before we do that, we are going to also look at this cover. There is something we did not do in the last video. All right. In your cover, you can actually use image as your cover. All right. So we'll look at that. Before that, let's delete most of the video. We already made use of this video. I'm going to just delete it. You hit. So the reason why you can't delete everything once is because you know that we cut the video into 3 parts. So we are going to delete them one after the other. Alright, I'll hit delete, click on it, and I'll hit delete. Alright, so we're left with this particular one. So before we do that, let's go over to our previous class, what we talked about. You can see this cover. Alright, we also looked at this mute. Alright, if you can click on it to mute your video, if you click on it, original sound of the clip muted. Let's play it. So you can see the sound is no longer playing, so you can come here to unmute. Original sound of the clip unmute. Alright, just as that. So let's check our cover. I will click on the cover now. So over here, in the last class, we only talked about selecting video. Alright, so we also have select from album. You can either take a video from album or use. So what we did before was to select a particular place that look attractive and use that as our front page for the video. But now we are going to just go straight to select album. So I'll hit on that. Alright, so I will scroll down. Alright, so let me use our Tech Expo. So you can actually drag it. You can see it says drag. Read what they wrote here. Alright. So you can actually drag this. So I'll click on confirm. Right, this is the part that we have. So I'll click on save. So you can actually use image as your front cover, right? This is your video cover. Mind you, you should know what you are doing when adding anything here. Right, so if people are going to watch this video, the first thing they are going to see before opening the video, before the video starts playing, they are going to see this cover. Alright, so you should know what you are putting here. So this, what you are putting here has to be attractive to people so they can click on the video. Alright, so that's that. So we are going to go ahead and look at how to add overlay. So we are going to add overlay to this video. Our overlay is okay. We have it right here. We have our overlay right here. Right, so I'm taking my time to explain so that you don't get confused. You will know exactly what we are making use of. Alright, so just bear with me. So you click on this overlay, click on add overlay. Alright, you take us back here. Okay, let's just scroll down. Oh, I think I love this. Yummy. It said the man shall not live by bread alone. You can duplicate it now, so you can use this particular icon to drag. You use this particular icon to drag, and you can use this one to duplicate it. This one is for cancel. You want to cancel it, alright? You want to cancel it. So I'll use this one to drag it now. To try, that is to reduce the size. Alright. So to reduce the size and increase it. So I'm going to make this image here. I'm going to reduce it now. Here is it. You can see. Okay, let me make it smaller because it's going to be causing confusion, so that a lot of persons that are seeing it will not be hungry. Alright, so I made it smaller now. Now here is the thing. You can see this video only is only going to move from here to here, which is about 4 seconds, just 4 seconds. Alright, so we don't want that. I want this particular, you can see we don't have it here again, so I'm going to click on it, and from the tip here I'm going to drag it. Let me show you that from here. So click on this particular part, I'm going to drag it to the end of the video. Alright, so by dragging it, it means that, let me play it so that you will see what I'm talking about. Alright, so that's that. So we're also going to look at now you can also add video to this particular using this overlay. So we'll go over to overlay one more time. Click on the overlay. So over here we have options. So we have photo and then we have video. So don't forget that. So click on the video. We'll just go. Alright, so let me just so let me just make use of this one because this one is landscape. Click on add. Alright, so I'm going to reduce it. I'll bring it here. So let's play that, let's see what happens. Alright, so you can see what's going on here now. This particular video, it has sound, so we're going to remove the sound. Here, these are volume. So in order to remove the sound, what we need to do is to remove it, to reduce the volume. Click on volume. Yes, it can increase the sound. Alright, so, and mind you, the video is also very long, so I'm going to reduce it from here. It can't be longer than the major video. So I'll click on play. Alright, so this is how you do your overlay. This is how you add the overlay. In case you want to add anything to your video, this is how you do it. So in our next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you some other features that we can make use of. Alright, so no need to be in a hurry to do too much. Alright, though we are also going to be looking at other apps once we are done with this Capcut. So what we have done today, once you watch any of the once you attend any of this class, what you need to do is to go ahead and practice, because if you don't practice, you'll not be able to ask questions. always make sure you drop your question in the comment section, as our tutors will be available to always reply. All right, so make sure you practice what you have learned. All right, anytime you watch any of the attend any of the class, make sure you practice it. Okay, so that's why we are making the video short so that it will not be too much. All right, let's not just use one day and finish everything. So in our next class, we are going to be looking at other features that you can make use of in Capcut. So I will see you.